Alright, from the plane to the boat, this sister's moving. Check it out. We're leaving the park. Alright, Sister Donna here decided she was going to take every advantage. Go ahead and throw out that pole. Captain? We doing alright, Captain? Alright, sweet.
Go top now.
Your name will not be mentioned. You are Captain. And the co-pilot right there. Alright. She got something. She got something. Reel it in. Reel it in. Okay, never mind. Oh.
No, I think you caught on your boat.
Uh-oh.
Okay. She's in. She came straight in town. Hopped on the boat.
Hop on the boat.
We're taking her to her room. No fish. Where's your room at, honey? This is the boat shadow.
And no fish. And no fish. He didn't grab the substance and swam away. Another one bites the dust. Or the worm.
Like they got their table, umbrellas, and chairs on their boat.
Oh yeah, I see that back there. Look at that. Suki now. Okay, okay.
We want to welcome you, all passengers. Thank you for riding the your boat.
Right there.
I am.
There's that tunnel. I don't know if we can fit through that tunnel. I'd be like, Hey neighbors. Hi.
Hi. I wish my dog would ride. Said, oh, you're okay. So he pulled up out next to us and gave us the oar, and we were stuck. So I had to get out in the water, like the water was up to here on me, and then I had to pull the boat to tie them up.
I'm trying to tow y'all.
That's hilarious. Oh my word.
But it's neat, like you can have paddle boats out here.
Still working on that boat, that rod there.
Paddle boat, kayaks. I want to get a kayak.
I see some paddle boats on
Tell me if you
Facebook.
see some more. So over here, like somebody over here, these are mostly single couples, but they said there's some people over here, they've been living here a long time, like 20-something years, so they bought.
Take y'all to the beach.
Onward to the beach.
What time is it? I don't know.
You mean to that tunnel?
It's just 10:30. Taking you back down memory lane, Uncle.
Yeah, bud.
Huh?
Yeah, bud.
He meditating. He don't went on the other side of it. Oh, me too. Did you see the fish that Warren caught?
I did.
But see, I want to get this working. I'd rather have my steering wheel. But.
Oops.
And so, I had him on the
No,
boat.
yeah.
I came out to do this, and the boat started running.
Oh,
I was like, and you know my hair was really bad. And I was like, guide it. Just take the thing and turn it back. That wasn't bad.
no, that was pretty good. Go ahead with your bad self.
Oh yeah,
And is that yours too?
you got a smoke and the Japanese. We have blankets. Next boat goes out around 8-ish.
8ish. And we are here.